Hello and namaste. Now this calculator, if I wanted to find out square root of minus 1, we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So let us go and find out square root of minus of 1 is equals to. So if you'll observe here, we have got it here math error. What do you mean by math error? That means what? There is something wrong in our entry in the function, or might be something fishy in the calculations. So by go to back, we can go and come back here in this particular equation. Now let us put AC and now go in the mode, and now our calculator was in COMP mode, which is a default mode here, but as we wanted square root of minus 1, which is the I unit or the imaginary unit for the complex numbers, so we'll be going for 2, that is a CMPLX mode, that is a complex mode or CMPLX mode, wherein we can go ahead with the calculations of complex numbers. That means in this mode, this I is getting displayed. Otherwise, this you cannot type, or this answer would be, you will not get the answer for that particular thing. So now let us go ahead. Square root of minus of 1 is equals to. Now if you'll get it, we have got it here I. We have got this I over here after putting the CMPLX mode. Now let us explore everything about CMPLX. How to, so this is the first I have given some guidelines for this particular session. Or so this first is ticked, that is the mode of the calculator mode, and then you need to put 2 powers. Now powers of I, let me just do that. Suppose how to enter I on the calculator screen. So if you'll observe here, this ENG button, there is a small I over here, displayed I over here. So that is of the color of same as that of the shift key color, the font color. So shift I. So now I have to find out the powers of I. So powers of I would be same as what we are doing for the normal, like 5 square, 6 square, and so on. So these are the buttons. So all the buttons would be working in the same mode also. So if I'm putting x square, that is I. So I square is equals to minus of 1, right? Now again, if I need to have shift ENG, that is I, to the power. So if I need to the power, say for 103. So it is giving me the value as minus of I. That means what? I to the power 103. So I can get any power of I in the calculator. So this is the beauty of the calculator in the CMPLX mode, right? So I can go ahead with as a complex mode. This is the power. So you can just explore the powers of I. Now we need to go for the algebra, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is same as that, but let me just explain you. So this is my Z1, this is the Z2, 3 plus 4i, and then 7 minus 3i. We are taking these two numbers and we are just doing all the operations on these two numbers. So let me just put it as 3 plus 4 shift I, right? Please see to it. What am I doing it? Now I'm not putting here a round bracket, but if I wanted to go, okay, I forgot the putting the round bracket here. Just I have to use this key. And scroll, round bracket, opening bracket, and I need here closing bracket, right? Then I will go for the plus. Again, I'm opening bracket because bracket, the calculator will understand this as a brackets, right? So 7 minus 3, I need shift ENG will display me I, right? This is equals to, this is 10 plus I, and we know the addition of the complex numbers. So you can just go ahead and get this done. Okay, so this is done with the addition. Then now again, if I wanted to have the same, suppose I wanted to go back and see what are the calculations I have done. I have entered the same thing. You know how to enter it now. So if I'll just go back and do the subtraction over, so del, so this will be erasing the plus sign. I'll be putting a minus sign here, equals to. I'll be getting the subtraction of these two complex numbers. So minus 7 plus 3 will give me minus 4, and 4i minus 3i will give me, so minus of minus, so 7i. So minus 4 plus 7i would be here as the subtraction of these two. Again, if I wanted to go and change this addition, so subtraction here, so delete, cross, that will give me here the multiplication of these two complex numbers. Multiplication of these two complex numbers, right? Again, I wanted to go for the divide. Let me just do that again because I just wanted to repeat the same thing. Opening bracket 3 plus 4 shift ENG, done. 3 plus 4i. I want the division divided by opening bracket 7 minus 3 shift ENG, bracket closed, right, equals to. So I'm going to get this as the 9 upon 58 plus 37 upon 58 times I. So this is the way you can get it. If you wanted to go for the particular problem, particular value, so you can just go ahead like this. So this SD will flip the values, the fraction and this values here in the decimals, right? So the value can be toggled over here. So we have done this algebra also, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then the conjugate. Let me just go back here. Suppose I wanted to have the conjugate of, say, for 3 minus I. 3 minus I. Sorry, 3 minus I. So shift ENG, 3 minus I, and I need the conjugate of that, right? So I, instead of putting this up first, I need to go delete it first. Shift. So now if you'll observe the button 2, above button 2, there is CMPLX written. The way what we have seen in a matrix and what we have seen in a stat or a distribution mode, the same way the button for this particular mode is 2. Put it now. Now we want the conjugate, that is the second here, second number 2. Conjugate of what number? We need 3 minus I. So shift ENG, that would give me equals to 3 plus I. So conjugate of 3 minus I is 3 plus I. So we have done. So similarly, you can just explore this calculator. Then absolute value and the argument. Okay. So now what, if you'll observe here, shift to argument, conjugate, R to theta, that means R and theta, and A plus BI, right? Okay. So argument, okay, fine. We will just go for argument, just an argument, which is 1 plus shift ENG, right? What would be the argument here? Argument, that is the theta is 45 here. Theta is 45 because the mode of the calculator is in degree, will be getting it 45. If I need this in radians, shift mode, this is, now it's in degree, we want in a radian 4, it would be giving me 1 by 4 times pi. So that means pi by 4. So this 45 is in a degree and pi by 4 is in radians. So if again I want it shift mode, 3 is for degree, 3 equals to, I'll get 45 back, right? So you can just toggle between the, for the argument, you can toggle between the degrees and radius, whatever the answer you wanted in that way, right? This is one of the way to get the argument in the toggled way. Another way is, I wanted this square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times I. And if I need this 2, right? Let me just give you that. First of all, I need to enter that square root 2, right? Plus 2 shift I. So now if you observe what I wanted to do it, I wanted to do it square root of 2 plus square root of I. But what I have done it here, square root of 2 plus 2i. Why is that so? Because this entire thing it has taken in the square root of sign. The reason is I have not given a space there. Therefore, I need to go back, delete this. After this, entering this, I need to put this key. So that now it is saying that under the square root sign contains only 2. The next number is not under the square root sign. Plus square root of 2. Again, I need to put this because I don't want I under the square root sign. So shift ENG. Right? Now this is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times I. Shift 2. I want this R and theta of this particular number. So I want 3, right? Equals to. So if you'll observe here, it is 2. 2 is the modulus, or you can say the absolute value of this particular number, wherein this 45 is the argument. So 2 is the absolute value and this 45 is the argument. So argument is, that means not theta is 45. 2 is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. That is the absolute value, or you can say modulus of this set, right? Again, if I wanted to toggle between them, shift mod, presently it is in degree mode, so 4, I have got it 2, and this is 1 by 4 times pi, that is pi by 4. So we have got the degree in the the angle in radians. Before it was in degree, so degree 45 and angle, or you can say the in radians it is pi by 4, right? So this is, you in this way you can just toggle between this. Okay, now this is also done. I wanted to show you for this particular thing. That means what, if I have got my argument and the absolute value, how can I write down that a plus bi form of that complex number, right? Now 2, if you'll observe here this sign, this particular sign where I'm keeping my cursor, so I need to put shift, this bracket minus sign here I need to put it, this sign has come, see this sign has come, I need 45 equals to, now if you observe here I've got this value because I've entered here 45 and my mode of the degree mode of the calculator is in radian. Shift mode, I want it degree, that is I want 3 here, which is equals to, now I'll be getting it square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times I. Why is that so? Because I have provided the calculator mode as radian, and this 45 the calculator has taken as 45 as the radian, and that is the reason the value was displayed in the same way, right? So this is, you can just go ahead and explore so many things about the complex number. One more thing, you can just go ahead, shift mode, down arrow, and if you'll observe here 3, then complex result. So if I wanted to have a complex number result, what the way I wanted it, whether I wanted it in a plus bi form, or whether I want the format as r and theta, that means in polar coordinates or polar form, or I want it in Cartesian form, that can be done. So suppose I'm putting it here 1, it's already in a 1, right? And suppose again shift mode, down arrow, 3, and then if I'm putting 2 over here, I'm going to get this as this. Have you observed the change in it? Have you observed the change in it? This is the change after putting this in the toggling mode of the degree and the radian. You will get it 45 in 45 degree in the degree mode, and you will be getting pi by 4 in a radian mode. So you can just find out the calculator, the value of the calculator, or the value of the complex numbers, or addition, subtraction, whatever the values you wanted to do it with this. Let me explain you one more thing, that is, if I wanted to have the 3 plus 4 shift eng round bracket, and I want the inverse of that, which is equals to, I'll be getting this. Now this is because we have got it in a degree mode. Shift mode 4 equals to, I'm getting the same answer if you observe here. So that means what this is I'm getting this particular answer 1 by 5 as an argument, as an absolute value, and this as a degree mode. So this can be done it in this way. So this is argument, conjugate, the polar coordinates, the answer in the polar coordinate, answer in the Cartesian coordinate, and so on. Just you explore this entire calculator, the mode of the complex numbers. Just enjoy with this. Okay, this is from my side for this particular CMPLX mode. Thank you so much. Happy learning.